Hey guys, Tristan Adams with Modern Design Aquascaping. So today we have a plethora of random stuff going on. So we are going to take you guys through this journey with us. What we have is a feature that we did not build. We've got about 300 feet of actual stream on this project. And the very interesting thing is, as you can see, what I'm standing on, this is all ledge rock here. And the stream goes from liner bottom to the ledge rock with no liner, back to liner bottom, back to ledge rock, and then back to liner bottom into this pond. But the pond is what we are focusing our energy on because the pond actually doesn't hold water about 18 inches above what full should actually be. So first things right off the bat we're gonna see is that not only do we have liner all over the place, this pond is filled with concrete in the bottom. So we're gonna get this thing drained, we're gonna get it cleaned, we're gonna set up first our transit so that we can mark water level to where it does hold, and then we're gonna see if we can find why this thing doesn't hold water all the way up to the top. So you guys stay tuned, we will be back, and hopefully we've found something. All right guys, so immediately upon just doing an edge check, kind of walking around this thing and checking the visible spots, I noticed this very low liner edge that was right here. And for some reason you have the beautiful ambiance of a waterfall somewhere in this rock pile. So what we have found down in this hole is it kind of looked like liner came up on the edges, but really it is all folded and wadded down in there on this dam level. And it's just geotextile or protective layer that is actually coming up the rock. So there is a small waterfall down here that is definitely making sure that we cannot fill the pond past where it is at right now. So if we get this thing pulled up, we should have problem solved. Hopefully, ideally, there could be more problems. We don't know, we just got looking. You guys will see stuff. We got the pond cleaned, everything was great. We found a bunch of low liner edges, we pried those guys up, and what do you know? We've got no leak. So ideal scenario when we come out for some form of leaky feature, it's not a hole in the liner, it's not a hole in the plumbing, you don't need resealing of your filtration components. This was the best possible outcome. Raising up some low liner edges, and we have gained 18 inches of holding water into this pond, and we are back and ready for fish. So let's go check it out. So this is the madness of the stream that is coming down, winding down this hill. You guys are seeing maybe a third of it right now. There is another 100 and something feet going up towards the top. But this whole thing is carved into a natural stone going down into here. So this giant stone we're standing on that the house is also built on is where this channel has been carved in, and then the liners added after the fact. So you got your draping liner going down into there. But the issues that we found where this rock is undercut actually coming in here, there were like 7 or 8 low liner edges there. And then as far as over in that corner, multiple other low liner edges that were over there with rocks on top of them. I just watched Tim fall in the background. Wish he could have done it over there. But yes, so this was the ideal scenario. So most of the time when you're looking for leaks, it's really good to have an idea of where to start. So These guys had shut off their pond, let their water level drain down, and that was the key. Without their stream running, the water level in the pond drained 18 inches and then stopped. It just stopped. So we had a really good basis on where we needed to start for this leak service call. So once we actually got here, the pond was at its water level. We set up our transit so we could mark our stuff, and we knew exactly what level we were looking for, at least to start. And thank gosh, it was only low edges on the liners. So we pulled those guys up, reassured them, filled the pond, checked, everything held water, nothing leaking, except for the sky right now. So I'm gonna get out of here. Thank you guys for staying tuned. Tristan Adams, Modern Design Aquascaping, out.